Good morning, YouTube. Thanks for tuning in and welcome to another vlog. This is the biker guy, and this is obviously not Ghost. So, see what we have here: the Hyosung GT R250. Roll. So yes guys, this is the Hyosung GT 250R that I've got from DSK Hyosung, Jayanagar. Talking about this bike, I am a big fan of this bike. This is a 250cc bike which was like launched by Hyosung in 2015 or around. I always wanted to take this bike out for a ride but never got an opportunity. But then DSK Hyosung, I called them up and they were pleased to give this bike to me for a ride. So talking about the bike, as you have just seen the video, it looks stunning. It looks amazing. It's quite bulky and looks really great. The tank is a huge tank, and yeah, for a 250cc bike, this bike has been made really nicely and quite big. Talking about the engine, it is a Vidwin engine carrying 249cc that gives out a power of 28 bhp at 10,000 rpm and 22 nm at 8,000. That's a whole lot of power. Being in the 250cc category, this bike I guess I think it is the heaviest in this segment, because compared to the Kawasaki Ninja 300, the KTM RC 390, then what is CBR 250R, this bike has got a bit of weight, that is around 190 kgs dry. So totally a sports machine. The handlebars, clip-on handlebars, totally tucked in. If you ever get a chance to ride this bike, then you will understand how great the tank is, because right now the way I'm sitting, I'm totally tucked in. It would be great to take this bike on a track because the tank is quite huge and you can easily tuck in. I think this is kind of hard luck that I don't have this bike on an open stretch and I'm riding around through the city. But yes, day is getting better, boy. Look at the odometer, guys. Okay, maybe this bike has a bit of balance issue because it's kind of drifting me towards the right, but then how can you complain when you're riding a bike that's great? This bike has got front ABS, the indicator lights, the headlights, the neutral bar, and the right side indicator lights. This bike is actually a head turner. Yeah, the rear view mirrors are really good because see, the first thing about the rear view mirror is, on a bike this great looking, I think it's a bit old fashioned because it's not sharp and it's made of normal plastic and kind of stuff, but then it serves its purpose, and the vibration is very less on the bike, so you can see everything behind you, and the mirrors are quite big. Don't go on the speedometer because it's not showing anything. Maybe because it's a technical something they've made with the bike. But then yes, when you ride the bike, you will get to know how powerful this bike is and how greatly it can pull. So 28 bhp is a lot. See, that's the power of the bike, guys, how nicely it pulls and takes you up. Brakes are good. The switches are also nicely made. It's not something exceptional because you can see these are like the switches from Pulsar and everything, like it's like similar. It's nothing too exceptional. We have got adjustable brake levers over here, but the clutch is not that adjustable, it's the normal. And the clutch, yeah, if you see some other vlogs, then you would hear people saying that the clutch is too hard and all, but I don't think so. It's really easy, it's not that hard. Here we go. Squids all around the city, boy. I think they just wanted to be on the camera. It's okay. You can. I'm happy. I'm not gonna case on you guys. But anyways, let's park the bike over here and let's see the bike around. So yes, totally new bike. You can make out from the plastic covers and everything. Has got 140 tires on the rear set, and look at the suspension. Steel, stainless. Has got this bike as rear disc, so it also has got front disc and rear disc, mono suspension, and great inverted forks. So as you can see, this has got a V-shaped nose and V-shaped headlights. Okay, people are watching me make this vlog. Wow. So this bike is really planted to the ground and gives a lot of confidence to the rider. Tail is also not that hugely big. I'm talking about the tail section. It's not that hugely big that disturbs the look of the bike, but then it looks really great. And this part is the grab rail and everything is really nice with the LED lights. And you can just make out how big this bike is. Has got the ECU over there, but there's one function that I don't like. If you can see this part, the finishing is not good. The chassis of the bike is coming out, which could have been reduced, and the tank would have been extended so that it was not seen. Seats are a bit loose, maybe because of the screws and stuff, but then yeah, what else? To be talking about the tank, it is a 70 liters tank that gives a mileage of 20 kilometers. Clip on tank, and yeah, I'm just waiting for the traffic to get clear and roll this bike. And yes guys, I am pretty sure if I want to come back and ride this bike, they will allow me. So if you have any queries about the bike, and if you want to know something about the bike, something extra that I have not spoken about, I know I have not spoken a lot about this bike because this is my first time riding experience with this bike, and I have not done much of my homework. I'm a bad guy. You wanted to kill me? Yeah. Wow. so I've not done much of my homework with this bike, so I've not been able to speak too much. But then yes, if you want something else to know about this bike, you can just drop down in the comment section, and yes, I'll answer them. And yes guys, if you think this vlog was nice, do give it a like, subscribe to the channel. As I've said before, comment down below if you have any queries about the bike and if you want me to take it out again. And as I always say, I'll need your love and support to make this channel a hit. Until the next time, goodbye beautiful people.